Hello everyone. In this video also we will discuss one more previous year gate question based on the concept of toughness index and liquidity index. So this has appeared in gate 2021 and it is a 2-mark question and very simple question also. First, as usual, we will read the given data. Okay, from laboratory investigations, the liquid limit, plastic limit and natural moisture content and flow index of a soil specimen are obtained as 60%, 27%, 32% and 27 respectively. The corresponding toughness index and liquidity index of a soil specimen are. So he has given liquid limit, plastic limit, natural moisture content and flow index. So he just asked us to find out what is the value of toughness index and liquidity index. Okay, for toughness index, first question is we have to find out toughness index. Toughness index IT is equal to, first we have to know the definition. It is the ratio of IP by IF. IP is nothing but the plasticity index, IF is nothing but the flow index. Okay, so it is nothing but the difference of WL, liquid limit minus plastic limit, divided by flow index. He has already given how much? 27. Okay, anyway we will write the given data. What he has given? Liquid limit WL is equal to 60% and plastic limit WP is equal to 27% and natural moisture content, let us suppose it is small w, that is equal to 32% and flow index I suffix F is equal to how much? 27. So we need the value of toughness index and liquidity index. Liquidity index formula also I will write. Liquid limit I suffix L is equal to natural moisture content minus plastic limit divided by plasticity index WL minus WP. Okay, this also we will calculate and toughness also we will calculate. Okay, so the next slide I will write. So our first aim is to find out toughness index IT. It is equal to WL is how much? WL is 60, WP is 27. So 60 minus 27 divided by flow index he has already given. Flow index is how much? 27. So this will be 27. So plastic limit also 27% and flow index is 27. Okay, correct. Now we will find out the value of toughness index. 60 minus 27 divided by 27. So it is coming around 1.22. Okay. So now the second thing is we have to calculate liquidity index also. Liquidity index I suffix L is equal to W, natural moisture content is how much? Natural moisture content is 32%. So 32 minus plastic limit is how much? Plastic limit is 27. 27 divided by WL minus WP means 60 minus 27. So this will be 32 minus 27 divided by 60 minus 27. This is 0.151. So toughness index we have calculated and liquidity index also we have calculated. We just need to know the definition of toughness index as well as the liquidity index. Okay, so which option is correct? First one he has asked about toughness index. So toughness index means toughness index how much we got? 1.22 and liquidity index is 0.151. So toughness index is 1.22. so option D is correct. Liquidity index is 0.15. so in this way we could able to solve the question. Okay, he just given the data, and if you know the definition, we could easily tackle the problem. Okay, I hope the video is clear for you. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.